Stop scrolling. Stop waiting. What if I told you that in 2 hours you could finish what normally takes you 2 days and feel like you hacked reality? Imagine sitting at your desk, opening your laptop, and suddenly hours pass. But instead of wasting time, you crushed a task that used to take you days. No distractions, no procrastination, no just one more scroll. You didn't need motivation, you didn't need willpower, you hacked your brain. Here's the truth. Productivity isn't about grinding harder. It's about designing your environment and habits so your lazy self has no choice but to win. People say, just be disciplined. Me, discipline. I can't even stick to brushing my teeth every morning. Illegal hack 1. Make your phone boring. Move every app that wastes time into a folder called Distraction Jail. Set strict screen limits, black and white mode. Rearrange your home screen so only apps that help you work or learn are visible. Suddenly, your phone stops controlling you, and your brain starts focusing automatically. You don't rise to motivation. You fall to your system. Illegal hack 2. Morning domination routine. The first 30 minutes after waking, no phone. Drink a big glass of water. Move your body for 5 minutes. Stretch, shadow box, or just walk around. Write down 3 things you will accomplish today. Your brain now knows. We're here to conquer, not survive. Don't just start the day, start it like a champion. Illegal hack 3. Deep work laser mode. Pick one task, set a 90-minute timer. Headphones on. No notifications, do nothing else. This is where real work happens. Multitasking is a myth. True productivity lives in uninterrupted focus. After the session, walk, hydrate, celebrate small wins, then repeat. It's like entering the Matrix, but instead of dodging bullets, you dodge distractions. Illegal. Hack 4. Build focus triggers. Same chair. Same playlist. No lyrics, just deep beats. Hoodie on, light a candle, brew your favorite drink. Your brain learns. These signals mean go time. Do this consistently, and your brain will autopilot into flow mode. Motivation is optional, focus becomes automatic, like a reflex. Illegal? Hack 5. Gamify your productivity. Your brain loves games. Turn work into 1. Every productive block equals 1 point. Hit milestones and reward yourself. Miss a day and reset. Use a whiteboard, Notion, or any tool that lets you see your progress visually. Boredom doesn't kill productivity. Lack of visible progress does. Illegal hack 6. Protect your energy like a CEO. Sleep like it's your most valuable asset. Move your body daily, even 10 minutes counts. Offload your thoughts every night. Journal, reflect, or vent. Eat cleanish. Think cleanish. Energy is the hidden fuel behind every productive day. No energy means no focus. No focus equals no results. No results leads to doom-scrolling spirals. Protect your energy and everything else follows. Illegal. Hack 7. Theme your days. Monday equals planning and study. Tuesday equals writing. Wednesday equals editing. Thursday equals review. Friday equals catch up or relax. Decision fatigue disappears. You already know what today is for, so your brain spends no energy asking, what should I do now? This is how high performers structure their time without thinking. Final truth, you're not lazy, you're unarmed. Using the wrong tools makes anyone feel unmotivated, scattered, or tired. With these hacks, you're equipped to scare people with how productive you are. You're no longer a victim of your environment. You've built one that forces success. If you want to study, work, and win faster than anyone else, click the video right here. Subscribe and hit the bell. This is your guide to hacking productivity legally and efficiently.